What's up, guys? It's Desert Bug out. I'm back. Wanted to do a video on some of the accessories that goes on these Goat Guns rifles, M4s or AR15s. So first of all, let's see. Just wanted to show the little different styles that you can kind of put together, and I'm pretty sure there's more. You can just switch out the different parts and stuff, but this is the M16, and then this is the I think it's the M16A2 or A4, and then you see how the shorter magazine, and it has the different handguard, and there's differences like the attached handle. This one's removable like the real thing. The M16 with the M203 grenade launcher attached, and then the M4 short barrel. Now these, just a heads up, the short barrel actually comes in this size. So you can buy a short barrel from Goat Guns. However, Gun Inc. Designs, check out their YouTube channel, by the way. It's awesome that he makes a really cool custom Goat Guns and video game controllers and real full-size firearms. So what he does is he custom paints them and makes them look really cool. He's really good with the themed ones. Oh my gosh. So you should check out his YouTube channel. Anyhow, he had this video where he did a little bit of a hack to where this is the standard barrel that comes with your M4, and he has a hack on his video. Go check it out, to where you can create the shorter barrel with the sight. So the standard one that you get from Goat Guns doesn't have a sight, which still looks cool. I mean, it looks super tactical. But if you want a short barrel with the sight, go to Gun Inc. Designs and check out his video on that. Really cool. Super easy too, by the way. Let's see. So for this one, in case you're wondering, I got two magazines that are put together so that you can kind of switch out the magazine. But when you do it, I did this myself. It's pretty easy. You just take some of this this stuff that you use to wrap up bandages. For example, if you get your blood drawn and they give you that little piece of cotton and the bandage that goes around it, that's what this is. I got it off of Amazon. It's just camouflage color. And they're super cheap too. You can get a multi-pack with different types of camo for like, I don't know, $5 maybe. So basically what I did was, if you notice, it's kind of at a V, just slightly, just so that you can fit, you can fit it in the well. And what I did was I took a little piece of cardboard and put a piece of cardboard in the middle, then squeezed it into like a little bit of V and put where it touched on the bottom there, and just wrapped it with that bandage stuff. And that's it. Super easy, but super cool. Look at that. Also, that right there, you can get that done at the Goat Guns website. You can have them, you can buy custom lowers with it laser etched. Pretty cool. Represent. What else we got? So we got the short holographic sight. As you can see, it's got a clear window. This one, I took the coyote one and a black one and took them apart and kind of Frankensteined it together. It looks super cool. Two-tone. This one is the original holographic sight they had. This was the full-size one. So you got the full-size and the short one. Pretty cool. This one has the clear window in it also. And the way that these go on, super easy, I'll show you. So you unscrew, it's got a little Picatinny rail, and you just kind of unscrew it, loosen it up, get it where you want, tighten it up, boom, dope. I guess it can go back some, but get the picture. Probably right here. Look at that. And then you can get an ACOG or ACOG like scope. Boom. Look at that. It's super easy. You just fit it on and screw it. Look at it. Changes the look. I like that look, actually. I think I'm gonna leave that on there. So you got that, and then you got the different butt stocks. When you buy it, it comes with the, what is that, the buffer tube? Each one comes with it, and basically you just use this little switch clip, and you just clip it on. I'll show you. See a little clip, and it just clips on. So this is the SOP mod buttstock. Boom. Look at that. Changes the look. Looks cool. This is obviously one that I painted. They come in black when you get them from Goat Guns. Also, I'll show you. When you buy an M4, the original one, it comes with one of these types. Obviously, it's black. I painted this one FDE, Flat Desert, Dark Earth, but it comes in black. But it's this type that it originally comes with. So it looks pretty cool. Change the look. For example, let's change this one a little bit. See? Totally different look. And adjustable. Alright, what else? We got the silencer or suppressor. These come with your original M4, and it just screws on. You just take the tip off and screw it on just like that. Simple and easy. And then you got the grip, foregrip, and I'll show you. So this, you gotta unscrew this, and again, you can buy the angled foregrip from Goat Guns separately and add it to your M4 that you have, or if you buy the Coyote one, comes with it. And then this is the straight foregrip. So to use this, you unscrew it here, and that little piece will go down, up and down. But yeah, you just unscrew it, screw it on. Let's put this bad boy back on. Boom. Tactical. What else we got here? We got the different magazines. See, like this is the original one, but of course black. I changed the color on this. I stripped the paint and used some aluminum blackener to kind of give it a, I don't know, like a rustic look, specifically for this. Boom. But you can get one of these. This is what the original M4 comes with. If you if you buy the coyote color AR, it'll come with one of these little miniature Magpul looking ones. It'll come with one of these actually. This is the one that came with it. But yeah, you can get different mags. You know, again, tape them together. It's a little V. Look cool. And I think that's it. You could get these slings are from Goat Guns also. They got green ones, tan ones, black ones. They even have these little leather looking ones. They go perfect on the AK. And I think that's it. If you're wondering what this is check out in my videos. I have a video on how to make one of these little miniature flashlight attachments that actually work. So check that out, and you can attach it to the little rail like that. And that's it. So thanks for watching. This too I made. I have a video on that. But the grenade launcher you can buy on Goat Guns also. But yeah, that's it. Just wanted to show you guys a couple of little attachments that you can get for your Goat Guns M4 to customize them a little bit, or individualize them a little bit, make them look cooler. Not that they're not already cool, but yeah. So if you like my video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, show your friends, and stay tuned for more. Peace.